Good morning, friends. Today, probability, we'll discuss about dice. If one die is rolled, you can see the picture there. One die is rolled. Okay, like while you are playing the snake and ladder, Ludo. Okay, if die is rolled, what numbers you will face or you can see on the dice? The face of the dice. Any one side we can consider as the face of the die. So that can be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If one die is rolled. So number of sample spaces is 6. Number of sample spaces is 6. If once you got the number of sample spaces and what are the sample spaces, then based on this dice, the problems are very easy. Maybe some examples we'll discuss here. Okay, 1 or 2 examples. Suppose if a die is rolled once, what is the probability of getting odd number? What is the probability of getting odd number? What is our question? Getting odd number. So what are odd numbers here? 1, 3, 5. So number of odd numbers are 3. Number of odd numbers are 3. Then what you should do? Probability of getting odd number. That is n of e by n of s, n of e by n of s. Okay, now probability is 3 by 6. 3 by 6 is nothing but 1 by 2. Suppose your next question is probability of getting prime number. What is your next question? Prime number. So what are prime numbers here? One is not a prime number. One is neither prime nor composite. So 2, 3, 5. So probability of getting prime number is 3 by 6 because n of e is equal to 3. 3 by 6, that is 1 by 2. Of course, answer is same. Probability of getting odd number, probability of getting prime number. But number of events, n of e is different here, 1, 3, 5. Here, 2, 3, 5. Suppose your next question is, okay, question number 3. Okay, probability of getting a number greater than 3. Greater than 3. Number should be greater than 3. So, what are those numbers greater than 3? 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, so on. But our limitation is still 6 here only. Because the maximum number if you got after dying, okay, rolling a dice is 6. That is 4, 5, 6. So, number of events is equal to 3. So, probability of getting this event is 3 by 6. Of course, 1 by 2. Okay, your next question is, what is the probability of getting a even prime number? What is that? Even prime number. So, what is even number? 2, 4, 6, 8, so on are even numbers. In that, even and it should be prime. Okay, there will be exist only one number in the total entire number system. That is 2. 2 is even number as well as prime number. So 2 is even prime number. So how many are there? Only one number is there. Of course, number is 2. Only one number is there. So probability of getting that number is 1 by 6. Okay, your next question is, suppose getting an event is, okay, getting an event is factor of 6. Factor of 6. What are the factors of 6? Like 6 table. Okay, factor, it should be a factor of 6. So 1 6 are 6, 2 3s are 6. So getting E is equal to 1, 2, 3, 6. So number of events are 4. So probability of getting that event is 4 by 6. That is nothing but 2 by 3. Okay, maybe you have a confusion to factor and multiple. Factor of 6, multiple of 6. Now last question is based on multiple of 6. Multiple of 6. 6 multiples are 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12. Like that it will come. So only one number is there. Only one number. Fact multiple of 6. That is only one number 6. Next multiple is 12, 18. But it only exists till 6 only. So probability of getting that number is 1 by 6. Like that, we can frame a number of questions like this. Probability of getting odd number. Probability of getting less than 2. Probability of getting, okay, odd prime numbers. Or else multiples of 6, instead of that multiples of 3, multiples of 4. Or else factors of 2, factors of 3. Like that, we can prepare a number of questions by based on this dice. But very, very important thing is this only. Yes. Okay, what is this? Yes, that is number of sample spaces. If a die is rolled, what are the sample spaces can occur when one die is rolled? What is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's our live example only. Okay, in summer season you are all playing like snake and ladder or ludo. If die is rolled, what are the numbers will come? Right, the same it is. Okay, now we'll discuss if 2 dice are rolled. What happens? Okay, now if 2 dice are rolled, okay, if 2 dice are rolled, okay, first we'll discuss this. I have 1 dice, okay, I roll. What number will come first? Maybe 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If second die I rolled, okay, so if first die is 1, second die may be 5. Or 2, or 6, or 1. Yes, is it possible? Like a die is rolled twice, or 2 dice rolled simultaneously. Both are same. What is that? If 2 dice are rolled simultaneously, or a die is rolled twice, both are same. Now, what are the sample spaces you will get it? Okay, now first let me write all the sample spaces, then we will see. So, if a die is rolled, the first one, if it is a fixed one, first die is 1, then what will be the next one? Next die, it may be 1, or it may be 2, or 3, or 4, or 5, or 6. Okay, with the first die is 1. Who knows first die is 1? If first die is 2, if I first die I rolled, he got 2. Then the second die may be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now you got understand I suppose. Now for third one, 3, 1, 3, 2, 3, 3, 3, 4, 3, 5, 3, 6. If fourth one is happens, okay. So 4, 1, like 5, 1, 6, 1, 6, 6. So total number of sample spaces. How many sample spaces we have? That is 36. Okay. Here, before going to solve different sums on based on 2 dice, we'll discuss a logic here. If 1 die is rolled, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 only, number of sample spaces are 6. If 2 dice are rolled, 36. If 3, if 4, if 10. How to do? Okay, so that is formula. If n dice are rolled, so a die is having how many faces? Good, that is 6. How many dice you rolled or number of dice simultaneously? 2 dice simultaneously, 1 die rolled twice. 3 dice simultaneously or a die rolled 3 times. Like that, if n dice are rolled, then number of sample spaces are 6 power n. Here, see 36 is there, 2 dice, 6 square is 36 only. So number of sample spaces, you have a formula. If n dice are rolled, what is the number of sample spaces? N of s is equal to 6 power n. If 3 dice are rolled, 6 cube. 4 dice are rolled, 6 power 4. Okay, this is the formula for that. Okay, now we will continue here. Here, they will ask you a different number of questions. We can frame n number of questions here. Okay, thousands of questions you can frame on this. Some examples we will discuss. That is a doublet. Okay, doublet. What is meant by doublet? Here, what are the numbers you are getting? 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, so on. If it is a doublet, means what numbers may come? 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6. Okay, what are the two numbers? 1, 1. Both are same. 2, 2. Both are same. So 3, 3. Like that. Here you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. They are called doublets. Then none of e is equal to, how many are there? 6 are there. So probability of getting this event is 6 by 36. That is 1 by 6. Okay, like this we can have many examples. Okay, now you can see the number of sample spaces given there. First die and second die, all 6, 6, 1 to 6 are there. Now, based on the questions, you can select the order pair from the table. For example, okay, getting event is both are primes. What is the question? Both are primes. Both are primes means both the numbers are prime numbers. Okay, n of e is equal to, what are both are prime numbers from there? You can select from row wise. First row is 1. 1 is neither prime nor composite. So first row you need not check at all. Because 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 6 will be there. So with 1 is not a prime number. Here condition is both are prime. You need not check the first row. Now come to second row. 2. 2 is a prime number. But 2, 1 is not a prime number. Leave it. 2, 2. Yes, both are primes. 2, 3. Both are primes. 2, 5. 2, 4 is not a prime. Because 4 is not a prime. 2, 6 is not a prime. Okay. Now second row completed. Go to third row. 3, 1. 1 is not a prime number. 3, 2. 3, 3. 3, 5. Next. Fourth row. 4. 4 is not a prime number. 4 is a composite number. In all the 6, 4, 4, 4, will be. So given question is both are primes. So 4 is. You can leave it completely. Now come to 5. 5, 2. 5, 3. 5, 5. 6. 6 is not a prime number. So that's all closed. So n of e is equal to 6. So probability of getting this event is 6 by 36. That is 1 by 6. Now how I selected these 9 events from the table. Okay, from the table. Total how many are there here? 9 are there. 9 by 36. 1 by 4. Okay, total 9 are there. So how I selected 9 from this table? Okay, depends on the question. Both are prime numbers. Now we'll go to the next. Okay, now come to the next concept. E is equal to. One more example. So the first one is greater than the second one. Suppose A comma B, that implies A is greater than B. So A is greater than B. Always, what is that? The first one is greater than B. In the order pair. See the first one, 1 comma 1. Is 1 is greater than 1? No. 1 is greater than 2? No. So first line is ruled out. Second one, 2 comma 1. Because 2 is greater than 1. What is that? 2 comma 1. 2 is greater than 1. Is it true? Right. 2 greater than 2? No. 2 greater than 3? No. Only one order. The next one is 3. 3 comma 1. 3 comma 2. Okay. Next one is 3 comma 3 is possible. No. 3 comma 4. No. Now come to 4. 4 comma 1. 4 comma 2. 4 comma 3. 4 comma 4 is not possible. Come to 5. 5 comma 1. 5 comma 2. 5 comma 3. 5 comma 4. 5 comma 5 is not possible. With 6. 6 comma 1. 6 comma 2. 6 comma 3. 6 comma 4. 6 comma 5. So how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 3 is 15. So N of E is equal to 15. So probability of getting this event is 15 by 36. Okay. 3 table will be cancelled. 5 by 12. So answer is 5 by 12. Like this, we can frame n number of questions. A is less than B. Okay. I will tell you all possible questions may ask you in the examination. Okay. Now we will discuss some questions. Okay. Suppose A is less than B. A is less than B. Suppose A is equal to B square. What is A? B square. Suppose A comma B. Okay. We'll see like this. B square. A value is B square. If B is 1, 1 square. Okay. 1 comma 1. Now, if B is 2, A value is 4, 4 comma 2. Or else, A by B is greater than 1. Or else, A by B is less than 1. Or else, A is a factor of B. A is a factor of B. Or else, A is a multiple of B. A is a multiple of B. Or else, one more very important question. A plus B is equal to 10. See, E is equal to, what is the event? E is equal to sum of the two numbers on the both the dice is 10. That means, what may come? E is equal to, with 1, is it 1 plus 6 is 10? No. With 2, 2 plus 6, the last one is 2 plus 6, 8. With 3, not possible. With 4, 4 comma 6. With 5, 5 comma 5. With 6, 6 comma 4. So how many possibilities are there? 3 possibilities are there. 3 by 10. Remember that 4 comma 6 is not equal to 6 comma 4. Okay. Or else, by based on this, A plus B is equal to 9. A plus B is equal to 10. Like that, we can write infinite number of questions. Not only plus, with minus also. A minus B is equal to 5. Okay, A minus B is equal to 5. Or else, A into B is a even number. A into B is a even number. Or A into B is odd number. A into B is prime number. Like that, we can frame n number of questions when a pair of dice is rolled. Okay? Or else, one die rolled 2 times. Or else, 2 dice rolled simultaneously. Both are same. Okay, now dice problems are completed. Now one more model is there, that is deck of cards or pack of cards. That is nothing but playing cards. Okay, and work out how many cards will be there in your deck and what are the symbols, what are the colors, what are the numbers. Okay, today you just work it out. Then in next video class, we'll complete the playing cards.